Well, hello, my lovely love bug goodies. Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. Now, goodie, I'm about to make you this requested recipe. This is our cinnamon sugar baked in the oven chicken, fast, easy and simple. Honey, this chicken is so full of flavor. You are going to love this one. Now, if you are new and you're here watching me cooking this oven baked chicken for your very first time, be sure to subscribe. Turn on your post notification settings so you will always be reminded whenever your girl uploads a brand new video. Now, are you ready? Let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother.
Okay, goodie, let's start cooking. Now I have my chicken thighs right there that has been washed nice and clean with salt, lemon juice, and vinegar. We're gonna do this one with skin on. Do not remove your chicken skin, okay? Now I am going to add some extra virgin olive oil on top of that chicken skin, okay? Then I added some salt on top of that. I flipped it over, added some salt to that again, and then added some black pepper. Add in my black pepper, okay? Then I turned it over and added my black pepper again on top of my chicken skin. Then and only then did I add the black pepper right there. What I did here was go in and add my cinnamon sugar on top of that chicken skin. Go ahead and just shimmer shake that thing all up on that chicken skin, and do the same thing with the opposite side as well. Make sure, goodie, that this chicken is seasoned well with the honey, with the cinnamon and sugar, okay? Set it aside. Now in that container I am going to add garlic and ginger. Then I added some onion powder and garlic powder into that container. All the amount of the recipe will be listed down in your description box. Go and check that out, okay? Now I did add my vinegar, apple cider vinegar, added some all-purpose seasoning and chicken seasoning. Then I added some allspice to it. Allspice, whatever you want to call it. Then I added some chili powder and my paprika. Go ahead, added some basil and some oregano. That's what I had it there. Now here I'm adding in my honey, because honey is going to turn this thing up to another level with that cinnamon sugar, boo. I kid you not. Now I added some extra virgin olive oil just to hug everything together, and so my seasoning becomes nice and juicy-licious and full of flavor and hugging, and you're just smuggling and what I need to do all together in a one container. And I'm getting ready to happily put that on my chicken. Now here I am putting that good, yummy, juicy, delicious stuff all over that chicken. Now make sure that your hands are clean, goodie. Make sure that you have clean hands, because you are going to be using your hands, your fingers, to massage this thing all up into the chicken. Now if you don't want to use thighs like I'm doing here, you could use chicken drumsticks. Breast is good for this recipe as well. Wings, whatever you want, chicken neck, chicken bone, chicken, and it just go ahead and just use whatever part of the chicken that you want to use. Go ahead and use it. Make yourself happy. It's your kitchen. Now after I'm done doing all of that, I went ahead and cover it up with some plastic wrap, and I set it aside for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, my chicken ready for the oven. At this step, your oven should be on 370 degrees. This chicken is going to take about an hour and 15 minutes to bake, fully baked, nice and cooked and juiceless and full of flavor. Make sure that you don't burn up this thing, and you're going to bake it uncovered, uncovered only. Now, show your girl some love. Make sure that you are in fact subscribed and you're not just a watch me a cook. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notification. Please, good. It is so important to do that. While you're doing that, check out my latest videos that I had uploaded. My corn soup and my lemon pepper chicken wings. Off the chain, goodie. While you're doing that too, go ahead and subscribe to your girl channel, Life as Juliana. The link for that will be down below, right? So now that you have done that, this is what your chicken is looking like when it is all baked. 1 hour and 15 minutes uncovered. You got that little juicy stuff going on in the bottom of your container. Like that. We are going to get it all up and we're going to put it on top of that chicken. Just like that. You know, whatever. Just yeah, like that. And then I am going to add some honey all over that chicken. Yes, honey up the thing real good. Just to impress the people I'm not gonna eat it, I just went ahead and just put some parsley on top of that, and bam, my chicken was ready for my guest. Cinnamon sugar oven baked chicken. Oh, so good. Now get it. If you are here watching me, like I said before, make sure that you have subscribed and turn your post notifications on. Share the love with friends and family. Tell them what's going on over here. All them good things we are going. Don't be selfish. Share the love, man. Tell me what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen on to your kitchen. Enjoy!